Hey you guys, welcome back to Next to Godliness. This is day 4 of living in a hotel suite with a baby and my fiance as well. So we really haven't been doing anything. You will see in the second day vlog. We went to Walmart and got this girl her first swimsuit, as well as a few things that we needed, like more wipes. I got her like a little set of onesies. I need to go back because this local Walmart has way better baby and toddler clothes than our Walmart. Our Walmart's clothes for kids and babies suck. Like, I bought a pair of shorts and 2 onesies from our local Walmart for her for summer because it was the only thing I could find that was cute. But anyways, I don't want to sit here and ramble too much. Jason did just go to the house for a few things. So we're going to go ahead and pick this room up, and then when he gets back, I'm going to dust, disinfect, sweep. All right, let's get started then. All right, guys. So we are just going to go ahead and pick up all of the trash and things that are not in their place, and go ahead and take care of that. I did want to disinfect all those countertops and stuff, but Jason did not get home in time for me to do that. And I do apologize. My daughter is in the background in her bouncer, and I am in a hotel, so I'm doing the best I can, you guys. I really do not want to mess up my upload schedule just because of my situation. So I'm sorry if you do hear her in the background. She is bouncing and just like laughing a little bit here and there. So sorry. There's nothing really I can do about that. And she's just a baby, and her just likes to bounce and her likes to laugh. So by the time he got back, it was too late. And a few days went by before I actually was even wanted to clean anymore. So we are just gonna do what we can in this video, and then it'll be the next video that y'all actually see some more in-depth cleaning. So somehow the footage of me sweeping got deleted, so I don't know what the heck happened there, but right here I'm just placing everything back where it was. So I don't know how that happened, but it is what it is. not real.
It's real.
There's no way it's real.
It's real.
How are you so cool?
You're just so sophisticated.
Very sophisticated.
You're so sophisticated.
There's no way you're a baby. You're not 6 months old. So Jason finally brought more of her clothes, so I just wanted to get those nicely organized and folded and put in her drawer. So that's what I did. Hey guys, so this is actually a few days later that I'm recording this outro. I already need to clean the room again. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that in the next video, because I would literally have to clean up this whole room again, because it was really late before Jason got back with the disinfectant and all that. And I haven't been feeling very good. I think it's just all the stress from, you know, the house and moving into a hotel. If you can't tell, I'm like kind of losing my voice. So I've just been trying to relax a little bit. So I'm gonna have to clean the room all over again. And I still have a few things I need to do other than that, or before I get started on that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in the next video. So then you'll see me cleaning the room again, disinfecting everything, washing the dishes. But all right guys, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment down in the comment section. I love to place a name and face with this new subscribe number, and I'll see you in the next one.